we have Ofri Johan talking about the success of ornamental coral propagation.
Okay, good afternoon all participants. I'm Ofri Johan from Indonesia Research Center for Conservation and Marine Inland Water Resource, National Research and Innovation Agency. I will give a talk about the success ornamental coral propagation in Banyuwangi, East Java, Indonesia. One reference said 140 coral species tried in the world. We have success in Indonesia is about 31 species fragmented. The problem still the large sporid coral, 3 species, mostly beside 3 species we have success in fragmented. Coral trading, both domestic and global trading, can lead coral exploitation, and coral entrepreneurship can help restore coral condition and natural when mother colony release larvae. The other statement is we should follow protocol of the coral fragmenting for ornamental corals, and 10% of the fragmented coral should be returned back to the wild. And we already stopped some species collect from the wild because we have success fragmented, and mostly all species the quota from the wild is decreased, and some zero until now. This area I did the coral transplantation of especially 5 species of Euphilia, because actually I'm impressed as one duty of the scientific authority inspection of the what the company follow the protocol of ornamental coral transplantation. This area is very specific area. Mostly 71 species already success we can do on this area. When inspection I do observation. I spot the coral what they done. So I classify 5-meter depth, 10-meter depth, and 15-meter depth. About the Euphilia, I did one branch fragment, 2 branch, and 3rd branch is important. We minimize fragment mother colony because give impact to the wild. We give permission only one collect mother colony. After that, they use the same colony. So we success grow rate of the coral Euphilia after 6 months. So slow grow rate of we found which one the slow one is Euphilia yaemaiensis. So I recommended a small colony. It should be enough to do fragment coral, because after 5 months number of the branch can be increased 3 branches. So small colony is enough. So high mortality, we found some corals. What I did, export the transportation, rapid grow. We found about 23 species, less 5-meter depth. The rapid grow is harvest time is about 3 to 6 months. Then also the moderate grow 34 species. Slow grow is more than 15 meter, is about 14 species. This area is very specific area that I thought mostly all species we can fragment it here and life successfully. The problem is the slow, large sporid coral, Sinarina, Trichophilia. My idea is how study about the sexual reproduction about this coral. I collect data also chemical and physical water quality. This important that I set a protocol where we set up. All fragmented coral should be give the tagging. In the tagging, we can know the area, exporter name, what year fragmented done, species of the coral, how generation time of the fragment number, and what month is the month carried or the fragmented. So one inspection should know label can be different with the reality if the company is naughty. So inspection should be clever to know how age of the coral colony. The benefit of coral progression for ornamental surroundings is that that area is a protected area. So no bomb, no poison in that area because coral broodstock can source of the larva. XC2 coral suppression, some exporter already start. I think it's enough. Conclusion escape. Thank you for. Thank you.